I'll be rating slimes. I know I have been.
Hello guys, welcome to the video. Yeah, I'm on my I got a hoverboard for
this
Christmas.
one. It was left out. Like,
I got a
shut
I
up.
had a
Stop! I'm rating slimes, not telling about my Christmas stuff. Okay, so this one was left over last night, so that's why it's not really stretchy. I know clear slimes are not really that stretchy. Well, this one has hair in it. Only just one piece. Ooh, I'm gonna pop this bubble. Today is my dad's birthday. The 26th of December, I will be posting this late because I don't really post too much. This one, maybe 7 out of 10 because it doesn't stretch, but it sounds good when I do. Like, how do I do this? Preston, can you hold my iPad like this? Preston!
What?
Can you hold my iPad like this? If I'm
I'm on my hoverboard.
hold it!
Okay, I'll open my.
Yippee.
Put in the bag. Somebody's shoe downstairs.
I never put shoes downstairs.
That's Caden's.
Somebody's shoe, I don't know.
That's Caden's. He said
Who
he
closed all these?
doesn't hold it.
Who closed all these?
Some of them are ours.
Whose pants are
Oh,
these?
this. Where? The jeans?
Yes.
I can't.
That's Preston's.
Preston jeans?
This is the part.
I have
so
jeans
it's a
on
7.
right. I have my jeans on right
That's
now.
I have to clean everything up by tomorrow.
Left out like this.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Can I ride my hoverboard tomorrow?
Yo.
Huh?
Ride hoverboard, you know.
Okay, this one next. This one has hair in it. Oh. It's not that bad. It's kind of weird.
Man, I'm full. I am full, guys.
I've been full.
Preston eat a lot of fries today.
Okay, now test like what I did for this one. This one, 7 out of 10.
Oh my gosh. I need to go poop. Don't make a mess. Where are we sleeping today?
You're following me.
No, it's leaking there, right?
We got the mix.
Trash?
What time is it upstairs in the right?
Wait, I need a little bit more of this.
Go sleep.
Okay, I got some little. Okay, we'll add some orange. I rate this.
How come your star fell down, Mom?
I know, I keep on falling. I rate this a 5.
Anna, you clean your room, now it's messy again.
I know, that's because of Elise and Celeste, not Tessa. Tessa.
Saturday they coming again.
What?
Luis, Tessa, Donnie, and
Delina?
Tessa slipped on my hoverboard.
Okay, we'll put this on top of the blue. Now, time for the one that has hair also. Wait, this is... This is stretchier. Let's get some orange. Yeah, I don't want some hair in it. I'm adding a lot because there's this is the last one. Right away. Ready, 3, 2, 1. It might turn gray. On.
Anna, when am I going on the computer? I'm in Chromebook.
Be quiet.
Why?
You're gonna spoil the present. I'm gonna add some more clear blue. Because you guys notice my eyelashes? It's on the camera it's like brown, but then over here it's just like the orange. Hold up. That's weird. The blue, the orange one. I say 8.5. No, 8. I'm gonna rate it 8.4. That's almost like everyone says 8.5. I'm drinking. That's how people drink, right? Is how people drink. But this is just for my slime. And I was just at the rest. Let's spoil the tea what we got. Ready, Preston? So, Preston, he got a hoverboard.
A hoverboard.
From our parents. I got
My mom
something from our
my
parents.
mom got me this. Say bye.
From my parents, I got
Say it.
a Chromebook. Yes, it's an Android. I don't like Androids, but I'll just.
He said that I'm not playing. Nothing. Don't hear that. Don't hear that. I'm on my hoverboard.
Okay, bye.
Bye.